Hello and welcome to our lecture number 13 Safety Awareness Program Week 3 Module 3. Myself Dr. Ajay Kumar Gupta from Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University. Once again I welcome all of you on SWAM course of Industrial Safety and Fire Safety Management. 99% of all accidents are caused by human behavior. So, the best way to avoid being injured in an accident is having an awareness of potential hazards and acting accordingly. It is simple fact of life that hazards exist all around us all the time, no matter where you are or what you are doing. Your safety depends on knowing the specific hazard related to your activity. If you are driving at your workplace, doing things around the house, everywhere you are at any moment in time, you may be in the risk. The purpose of this lecture is to help you to understand how to spot these dangerous hazards, how to handle them and how to avoid accident and injuries. The lecture covers various aspects of safety awareness, its importance and strategy for building and promoting safety awareness in different environments. Here is a breakdown of the key points. First is introduction. In introduction, safety and health measures are crucial for the well-being and efficiency of worker. Second is in introduction, despite awareness, many workers in India are still facing issues related to health and safety. In second point, we will discuss about behavior based safety. In that, we will discuss most accidents are caused by the human behavior. Changing unsafe behaviors into safe one is essential to reduce accident. Different types of incidents are analyzed, including deviations from procedures, lack of supervision, failure to use personal protective equipment, etc. In third slide, we will see the objective of safety awareness program. In this, we will comparative analysis of health and safety practices in different types of organization such as large, medium and small. In this, we will see developing awareness of occupational health and safety issues. Also, we will see enabling practice to make improvement in safety, building stakeholder confidence and priorities given to the safety. We will see what is safety awareness. In this, we will see making safety a priority in the workplace, encouraging everyone to think about safety before starting any task. Achieving safety when employees consider dangerous and safety in project reviews. In the fifth point, we will see why safety awareness important. Why safety awareness important? Because we have to demonstrate, communicate the employee so that they will be in the comfort position. Priority for the safe work practices lead to fewer injury and increased productivity. awareness is essential for implementing policies and procedure effectively. In sixth point, we will see how to build safety awareness. To build safety awareness, use safety signs, exit route, fire extinguish location and first aid information, or by implement safety posters that are relevant and frequently updated. Also ensure clear marking and signage are visible and well maintained. In this slide we will also see promote regular discussion about safety within work item. In seventh part of this lecture we will see behavior based safety management. In this we focus on what people do and why they do it. Involves setting common goals, defining target behavior, collecting observational data, providing feedback and reviewing processes. In 8th point, we will see history of behavioral based safety. Behavior based safety is the important part. So, behavioral science and human factor research, development of behavior based risk control in 1960, global spread and expansion of behavior based safety by the 20s. In 9th point, we will see safety intervention strategy from the National Safety Council. Behavior based safety shows the highest reduction in accidents among various approach. In 10th point, we will see safety campaigns, time based, hazard based, performance based safety campaigns are effective in addressing specific safety issue. And in last we will see safety recruit and awards. Safety recruits reinforce a commitment to safety. Safety awareness recognize and rewards good safety performance. All the things we will conclude in the 12th point and we will suggest some points to avoid hazards. Safety awareness training and priority in large scale industry are better compared to medium and small scale industry. Emphasizes the importance of following safety law and reporting risk behavior. Encourage communications between employees and management regarding safety. Calls for recognizing the importance of safety awareness and training regardless of business size. We will take the action to encourage employees implementation of safety awareness strategy and ask for feedback and additional ideas. So, come to the introduction. Health and safety measures have been considered as one of the most vital activities for industries, laborers and workers because the impact of these activities increase the physical and mental alertness, more strength and overall efficiency. That is the most important prerequisite for any labor to enhance the productivity. It has already been understood by everyone who is working in the industry. The safe and healthy work environment is to basic rights of each and every worker. Despite knowing that still many workers are victims of unfair practices of health and safety in different industries in India. It has become a regular phenomena even in the 20th century also. To be very precise, the International Labour Organization has practically failed in that regard because 75% of the overall workforce resist and workers are not safe and safety status are very low. Although there have been numerous studies on behavior based safety BBS, there are still holes in the system and mishaps and incidents continue to occur frequently in various sectors. The management does not adequately oversee unsafe action that result in accident. To reduce accident rate, changing risk habit into secure ones is crucial. Different type of cause leading incidents will be examined in this study. Deviations from normal procedure, a lack of supervision, the failure to wear personal safety equipment, maintenance issue and work permitted violence are just a few of the reasons of unsafe human behavior that will examined. To enhance the organization safety mindset, safeguarding in behavior is crucial. Senior executives must show commitment. The safety staff must be involved for this to be feasible. The dedications of safety with undoubtedly increase if safety leadership is adopted at all levels. Additionally, it is crucial to evaluate and track the BBS implementation development. The most significant element of this analysis of study work gaps in the discovery that there is no monitoring to end unsafe behavior through follow up. This can be done by using software to monitor risk behavior, review in meeting and record keeping. We study articles on safety culture in mining from various countries. The literature review found following results: behavior dimensions 49%, situational dimensions 31%, psychological dimension 20%. So, the objective of this lecture is to maintain the objective of the study is to be a comparative analysis of the several health and safety circumstances practiced in three types of organizations like large, medium and small organization. This course has been designed to help businesses to develop people awareness and the occupational health and safety issues of the workplace and the method and their method. It will enable the participants to make practical improvements and positive contribution in terms of safety to the existing work practice. To build stakeholders confident through promoting a structured approach towards loss prevention. To degree of priority of safety and health, and to train employees for the safety purpose correctly. In this slide we will see what is safety awareness. Essentially, safety awareness is making safety a priority in workplace. Safety awareness is the habit of thinking about the change that someone can get hurt or property damage before a task is started. Having policy and procedure is not enough. You need to make sure that everyone is aware of them and that they think about safety in everything they do. You know you have achieved it when your people stop and think about the dangers of a task, or when safety is part of the review process of a project. Now in this slide we will see why safety awareness important. Building safety awareness is the first step in implementing a safety program. It shows that management teams cares about the well-being of the employees. If the management teams is expressing the safety is important, then the employees will think that as well. When safe work practice are prioritized, the result are reduced injury and increased production. In additional, awareness is part of the overall implementation of any policy or procedure. For example, let us say you write a new safety program to protect against the danger of cleaning chemical. Your people use training on this program is part of awareness. But if you just stop there, you may be missing the chance of instill strong habits to follow the new program. To build awareness of new program, you may add in signage about it. The management team may talk about it. Occasionally you quiz employees on it and give out prizes. All of these reminders build on each other and send the message to not only be aware of the new program, but to be mindful of safe work practice overall. Now we will see how to build safety awareness. No matter where you are standing in your operations, you should be able to look around and see safety signal, exit route, fire extinguish location, first aid information. Idea to build safety awareness. Entryways, what does it look like when you walk into your workplace? As an employee or as a customer, what are the first thing you see? It is related to production, quality or safety. So first impressions matters. they are sending the message of what is important at that facility, because safety, quality and productivity are all equal. Each should have equal representation when walking in the floor. This could be a safe mission statement, current goal or target, or even a safety message. Whatever it is, there should be something, or it should be same size or quantity of other business priority. Continuing this, posters banner, this is given. When you say safety awareness, most people think of posters. Definitely does not discount them, they are must have on their proper place. To make your safety posters most effective, only put up posters that are relevant to your operation or to your employees, and change them frequently, weekly or monthly at a minimum. If you have multiple poster locations, you can move the poster around. Changing the poster or the location increases attention to the material. Our brains like new things, and the change up with catches our attention. Safety posters. These posters informs employees of their rights and under occupational health and safety. Clear marking and signage. All those yellow lines marking of walkways, storage area are need to be visible and not wrong away. All the wiring should be indicated properly. All the signage need to be good condition. Many times we put the signage up with the great intentions, but then they are never replaced when needed. Just normal wear and tear exposure to the elements will wear them out. They should be on a regular inspection and replacement schedule. Poorly maintained safety signal or signage sends the message that you don't care. It is little thing like this that matters that the most when building the safety awareness. Safety should be discussed daily by work team. This could be in the form of pre-shift meeting or daily safety toolbox talk. This is called talking safety. There are many ways to talk about safety throughout the day, though the key is that the safety talk has to be come from the member of management other than the safety manager. Employees follow their direction, supervisions and managers more than safety guys. This is why safety messages must come from them. My favorite way to do this is by starting and ending every production related conversation with safety. Let let us say your supervisor need to tell an employee to use the forklift to move a pallet. During that conversation, they can throw in a specific reminder to operate forklift safely, such as keep your load low to the ground when traveling. Super easy and works amazingly well to build safety awareness. Surveys. Don't be afraid to ask your staff about their impression on safety program, policy or procedure. This feedback is valuable in many ways. It tells you what is working and what is not working. It sends the message that you care about them and their opinion. And it is nice reminder of your safety programs. Setting up an employees survey can be done with a paper questionnaire, using computerized survey, or face to face with answer recorded by another person. The choices are limitless. My favorite way to do this is simple, easy and often. I love to throw out a 5 questions paper survey every month. If it is easy for the employees to do, they are more likely to do it. Employee involvement. Including employees in every aspects of your safety program, for the development to implementation to review. This is the huge topic and I will do a future post on way to get employees involvement in the future. It will also be a part of safety camps, but for now just understand that including them in the process goes a long way in building safety awareness. Now come to the proactive safety goals. Most safety goals are reactive based on the number of incidents. Proactive goals focus more on safety behavior and stopping the cause of incidents. When you get your staff focused on a specific safety goal, such as improving housekeeping in an area, you are building safety awareness. Using PPE, of course, it is the last item on many list of building safety awareness, as it should always be the last thing to consider. You might also be thinking the PPE is a policy thing and not an awareness thing. However, when I walking into a facility where the use of PPE is prevalent and more than would be expected for the operation, the level of safety awareness at that facilities is usually above average. The act of having to put on safety gear prior to doing the tasks or walking into an area, height and the level of safety. I used to work in the food processing field and having to be ritual of hairnets, hand washing and sterile gloves made me aware of food safety as I was conducting my work. The same goes with safety glasses, waste, hearing products, etc. The idea behind behavior based safety management, the process of identifying and correcting at risk behavior in the people while favorably reinforcing secure behavior is known as behavior based safety. Different definitions of behavior includes a person can be judged by their behavior, attitude and manner, as well as by their usually apparent action. A system or organization behavior is defined as the action it taken in connection to its surroundings, which includes both the surrounding physical environment and other systems or organization. It is the way a system or a set of organization reacts to different inputs, whether internal or external awareness or unconscious, outwardly or covertly and unconsciously behavior. Human behavior is the collective of human behaviors that are affected by society, attitude, feelings, values, ethics, authorities, trust and other factors. People behaviors like that of other creatures or even processes can be categorized in the normal, unusual, as acceptable and out of bound behaviors. Social behaviors, which is regarded to be more sophisticated action in sociology, is behavior that is exploiting targets at the other people. A, a variety of social control mechanisms are used to govern aspects behavior by assessing in relation to social standard. Controlling of unsafe behavior of human being can be controlled by the following approach. First one is elimination of hazard by engineering control. Second, changing of people attitude. Third, punishment to people. Fourth, praising people. Implementation of behavior based safety system. Behavior based system is the application of science behavior change to real world problem. Behavior based safety focus on what people do, analyze why they do it and then applies a research supported intervention strategy to improve what the people do. So, now come to the conclusion of this safety awareness program is that the safety awareness, safety training and priority given to safety and health work in a large scale industry is far better than the middle and small scale industry. And the result are found significant at the 5% level of significance. Suggestions: each and every individual need to work on the elemental set of safety laws and act in accordance with them. These rules emphasize and absolute our method for recognizing risks and to be in command of risks. These rules recognized by suggest that of proceeding of mishaps occurred in our various works need to be obligated. Everybody is need to improve as quickly as a variation in observation and discontinue the work if the work is uncontrolled. Follow the divisions of common place operational technique and safety rules. The correct communication is to be convey the staff to their seniors regarding all or any risk act. So, take action on the safety awareness program. This is long list of way to build safety awareness and it can be overwhelming. Take it one bite at a time. Today look at one area of your facility, stand in multiple places and look around. Then think what we can change to increase safety awareness. Maybe the posters need to be changed or yellow lines need to repainting. Maybe you are thinking about supervisors training or new goals. Do not get overwhelmed. Work one item at a time or one area at a time. If you have a regular focus on safety awareness and you will be see massive result. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. Tell me what did you try and what worked well. Do you have any idea to help build safety awareness? So, with this lecture I end. Thank you.